Improving data quality involves implementing robust data governance frameworks, ensuring accurate data entry, and regular audits. Emphasize training for staff on data management best practices, and utilize advanced tools for data validation. These actions are crucial for maintaining integrity and reliability, setting the stage for a comprehensive cybersecurity roadmap. The Cybersecurity Roadmap focuses on enhancing security posture through key objectives in governance, identification, protection, detection, response, and recovery. Each area is aligned with specific initiatives and steps to ensure comprehensive coverage and effective implementation. The objective is to update the policy suite. Begin by sourcing feedback from stakeholders to ensure comprehensive insights. Next, refine generative artificial intelligence policies to address emerging technologies and threats. Finally, enhance metrics to accurately measure policy effectiveness and compliance. Establishing a cyber risk management committee is crucial. Begin by identifying top risks, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of potential threats. Next, align supporting controls to mitigate these risks effectively. This strategic approach enhances organizational resilience, safeguarding assets and maintaining operational integrity. Enhancing a culture and behavior program involves scoping the initiative to align with organizational goals. Establish a champions program to foster leadership and advocacy. Implement AI-powered training tools to personalize learning experiences, ensuring employees are equipped to handle cyber threats effectively. This approach strengthens the organization's overall security posture by embedding cybersecurity awareness into daily operations. Building a robust threat management program involves improving monitoring systems to detect anomalies swiftly. Updating the Security Operations Center, SOC, ensures efficient threat handling. Integrating threat intelligence provides actionable insights, enhancing the ability to preemptively address potential security breaches. Enhancing the incident response plan involves updating response playbooks to ensure they reflect current threats and best practices. Implementing a formal post-mortem process is crucial for learning from incidents, identifying weaknesses, and improving future responses. These steps are essential for a robust and effective incident management strategy. Update the business continuity plan by conducting a thorough business impact analysis. Identify critical operations and potential disruptions. Design a comprehensive plan to address identified gaps, ensuring resilience. Implement the plan effectively, integrating it into daily operations to safeguard against future incidents. Thank you for tuning in. Please reach out to us if you need more details. We will be happy to assist.